Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Life is Awesome Shaant. So today let us know the interesting trick regarding WhatsApp status. Well, as we all know that in WhatsApp status we can able to set just only for first 30 seconds, right? For example, if we wish to set 3-minute videos to status, we have to divide first 30 seconds and again say again 30 seconds repeatedly 6 times for one 3-minute videos, as 30 seconds is the limitation for posting WhatsApp status. So this is really annoying, I guess, for every one of us or for the all WhatsApp users as well. Okay, well, today I will show you how to extend the status time limitation by the help of one application that's easily available for free on your phone, Google Play Store. So let's not waste our time and let's get started the videos. Please don't skip away, watch till the end. Till then, sit back and relax and enjoy the videos. Alright, now go to Google Play Store and type the application name WhatsApp in your Google Play Store search bar. And talking about this application, it has over 1 million downloads and 4.5 ratings. Okay, now install the application. Now click and open the WhatsApp application. After opening the WhatsApp application, this is the interface looks like. So here your phone needs the permission to install the application. So allow it again. Well, as you can see here, WhatsApp term and condition, privacy policy. So scroll right down below and click OK. Turn on the notification. Alright, as the WhatsApp application has been completely installed, now close the application and reopen the WhatsApp application again. Open the WhatsApp application and now choose any longer videos from your phones. So here I will choose this 4-minute 38-second videos. Okay. Now click down here on share to WhatsApp and click here on my status and click the send button, and now go to your WhatsApp application and check your status is done or not. So I'll close this application WhatsApp and open my WhatsApp application. And here you can see in my status, my 4-minute 38-second video is successfully said and done. So that's all for today guys, and I hope you guys like the videos, and please do let me know if you guys like the videos. Please hit the thumbs up button and comment, and if you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel Life is Awesome Shaant and hit the bell icon to stay updated with my channel. Till then, thank you and Hambai.